Rome is more than a destination. It is where ancient history meets modern life, where every street, every piazza, and every sunset tells a story. This September, the Eternal City will welcome veterinary orthopedic specialists from around the world. Join us at the 7th World Veterinary Orthopaedic Congress and visit the RITA LEIBINGER Medical booth. Discover our latest innovations, benefit from exclusive Congress offers, and meet our experts to explore solutions tailored to your practice. Our Spinal Workshop is fully booked, and only 3 places remain for the Cranial Closing Wedge Osteotomy Workshop with Dr. Hugo Schmökel. Come for the knowledge, stay for the connections. Experience Rome with us. Secure your place before registration closes. We can't wait to meet you in Rome.